Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Diane Marie. I am your host today, and today we're going to be making some herbal bath salts. So, everything has been wiped down, sanitized, hands washed with bleach water and soapy water. And we're going to go ahead and put on our gloves. And we are going to go ahead and start weighing out our ingredients. So, we're going to put our thing here up on the scale, and we're going to turn it on, weigh out our scale, turn it on. Alright, and the first thing that we're going to do is weigh out some Epsom salt. So I have some Epsom salt here. And Epsom salts like to be hard as a rock. And I am going to take my alcohol and wipe down my things here. I thought I had a scooper in here, but I don't. So we're going to take our scooper here, and we're going to weigh out 12 ounces of Epsom salt. Now, Epsom salt is good for muscle relief. So, actually, what I really want to do, well, we don't have to do that. We can break it up. We're just going to weigh this out. And we're going to weigh out 12 ounces. It is very good. Oops. Oh, I went over. Good gracious, Laquita. Alright. So we just need 12 ounces. Alright, that's 12 ounces of our Epsom salt. So, we'll break up these clumps later. So the next thing that we're going to do is add in 6 ounces of Dead Sea salt, which that's a mineral. So let's find our Dead Sea salt here. Alright. We're going to turn our scale again. And we're going to add in, this is our Dead Sea salt. And it's a mineral detox. Okay. That's our Dead Sea salt. And we're going to add in some pink Himalayan salt. So, I do have some thin pink Himalayan salt. I think I do. Anyway, it's somewhere in my shop here. But I'm going to use our big chunks here. We're going to use our big chunks. So, as for our pink Himalayan salt, we need 3. It's just an exfoliant. Okay, that's all we need. Okay, Now we're going to tare our scale again. And we're going to add in some baking soda. So what I want to do for this, I do want to sift my baking soda. And oops. Okay. Alright. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our rose petal flowers. So I'm going to add those in. And move some of this out of the way. I have my rose petal here. So give me just a second, because that's our rose petal. And they're not registering my scale, so I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more, and then that's about it. And then the next, we're going to add in our lavender buds. So let's add those in. And oops. Alright, we're going to add in some of these lavender buds here. And they want us to, oh, they smell so good. They want us to add in 2 tablespoons more. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix all of this up before we add in our essential oil and vitamin E. And we want to make sure that we crushed in those big things. So we're just mixing these up, just mixing it up. Make sure everything is mixed in well. So basically, I've learned in the past that when you make bath salts, you want to mix it up well, and you want to wait before you put them in your jar. So tomorrow we'll add in our salt. Okay, guys, we're back. My camera died. So basically, what I've done, I've mixed up our ingredients here, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm fixing to add in my essential oil. So I'm adding in my lavender essential oils. And then we're going to add in our vitamin E. All right, that's our vitamin E. And now we're going to mix everything up. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to top this this back up. This essential oil back up. And give me just a second, guys. I have got to move you off of my cloud here so that you guys can see. So right now, okay, now I'm hands free, guys. If I can get you right over the thing, you'll be fine. Okay. So now what I am going to do, we're going to mix all this up and make sure that the lavender and vitamin E and all that's mixed in. It smells really, really good. And I am not going to package these up today because I want those, I want this to dry. Because if I put it in the packaging now, it's just going to be hard. And I don't want that. So I've learned in the past that when I've done that or did bath bomb dust, you know, it just hardens up. And I don't want that to harden up. So we're just getting our hands in here, mixing up our stuff here. And this is our lavender bath herbal salt. And you have your rose petals, you have your lavender buds. And basically what you want to do is when you're in the bath, you want to put 2 to 4 tablespoons of this in your bath water. And you're going to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Or however long you want it to soak. That's just totally up to you. But this is our herbal bath salt. And the we didn't put any dendritic salt in here because this is just a different part of our bath salts. But you can add that, and that will hold the scent of this. But it smells really, really good. And I haven't decided on how I am going to package this up. I don't know if I should use the little organza bag or just put it in my jars like I plan to. And we're just going to mix. And that's all we're going to do. This was just a short, fun video for you guys. And we have mixed and everything is mixed. So basically what I'm going to do, I am going to take my tray here. I have a tray. We're going to move this to the side. We're going to move this back. And we have our tray here. So what I am going to do is line it with some wax paper. I'm going to line it with some wax paper. And we're just going to take this and sprinkle it out, all out. And we're just going to take this and we're just going to spread it out. And we're just going to let it dry overnight. And then I will bottle all of this up tomorrow. So we're just going to spread this out. And we're just going to let it dry. And then we'll just package it up tomorrow and let it dry. And that's our herbal bath salt. Thank you guys for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. Please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, your neighbor, co-workers about my channel. Please visit www.edmsoaps.com. And we will see you on the flip side. This is our hand gestures for today. Bye for now.